Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my new YouTube channel. Today we are going to be harvesting a watermelon. Yeah, so we've been planting this watermelon for about 3 months now, a little bit over 3 months, and then today we want to make some checks and see which of them has been ripe, and then we can harvest it. Yeah, so kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel whilst we dive in. So as you can see in here, we have one watermelon, and down here we have another huge one. Basically what we do is we come to this side here of the watermelon where it's connected to the plant or whatever, this part here. So this is what is connected to the watermelon. You try as much as possible to trace and find the nearest coil. Yeah, so you find the nearest coils, and then the nearest coils to this watermelon is over here. Yeah, this type of coil. Mostly if you plant watermelon at home, you can tell this particular coil up here. Yes, it's still fresh, so it means the watermelon is not ripe, even though it's very huge. And one thing I've noticed about these watermelon is that in town you get these huge watermelons in town, and they sometimes taste funny. The reason is because most of these huge watermelons have been sprayed sprayed with chemicals that make it grow that big. So that's why some watermelons are very huge but not sweet. They taste funny actually. So this is still fresh, pending to be ripe, and there's another one over here. Let's see it. There you go. We're also going to trace and find the nearest roots. Okay, so there you have it. This is a leaf, that is dead, and yeah, nearest spring. There you go. It's dead. It's dried out actually. I think there's another one over here too. Here, this is it. It is also dried. So it means our watermelon is ready. Oh, there you go, another one over here. So it means this particular watermelon is ready. Yeah. So we're going to harvest it now. Yeah. So if you can see over here, I've got my scissors. I don't want to end up pulling. Watermelon is a creepy plant. So when you don't cut it off the plant and then you try tearing it apart or anything, you're going to ruin it. You're going to pull out the rest of the root out of it. So what you basically do is cut it off with your scissors. But before I do the cutting, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Thank you. Alright, I believe everyone has done that now, so we are going to get straight into the cutting. Oh wait, I just found another watermelon growing over here. What? And there are 2 more down there. Wow. Okay. Yep, so I've got my knife over here. Let's check and see how this is. So in the end, this is what we had. It was a beautiful reddish looking watermelon. Yeah, set. Thank you for watching, and kindly hit on the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section on anything you want to ask or any inquiry that you want to ask. If you also have a farm that you want to make a few inquiries on, do let me know and give me a thumbs up and do what to subscribe. Thank you.